Hey everyone, you've just moved to a new country. You need to open a bank account but don't want to give up your existing one back home. Can you use Monzo with another bank? Building context. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app, fee-free spending, and a range of features. But can it coexist with your traditional bank? Let's dive into the details. Understanding Monzo and traditional banks. Monzo is a challenger bank, meaning it's a newer, online-only bank. They offer many of the same services as traditional banks, but with a more modern approach. Traditional banks, on the other hand, have physical branches and a longer history. While they've adapted to digital banking, they often have more complex systems. Can you have both? The short answer is yes, you can use Monzo alongside your traditional bank. This setup can offer several benefits. Convenience. Monzo's app makes it easy to manage your money on the go. Security. Having multiple accounts can spread your risk. Flexibility. You can use Monzo for everyday expenses and your traditional bank for larger transactions or savings. How to set up a dual banking system. Open a Monzo account. This is a simple online process. Link your traditional bank account. You can often do this directly through the Monzo app. Transfer funds. Move money between accounts as needed. Key considerations. Fees. While Monzo is generally fee-free, some services might incur charges. Check your traditional bank's fees as well. Customer support. Both banks should offer good customer support. Consider how easy it is to contact them and resolve issues. Features. Assess if both banks offer the features you need, such as overdrafts, loans, or investment options. Benefits of using Monzo with another bank. Enhanced security. Having multiple accounts can protect your funds in case of fraud or other issues. Increased flexibility. You can allocate funds to different goals or expenses. Convenience. Monzo's app can simplify your daily banking tasks. Access to a wider range of services. Combining a digital bank with a traditional one can give you the best of both worlds. Potential drawbacks. Managing multiple accounts. It can be time-consuming to keep track of all your accounts and transactions. Complexity. If you're not familiar with banking, managing two accounts might be overwhelming. Real-world examples. Travel. Use Monzo for everyday expenses while abroad to avoid foreign transaction fees. Savings. Keep your savings in a traditional bank account with a higher interest rate. Business. Use Monzo for business expenses and your traditional bank for larger transactions or loans. Conclusion. Using Monzo with another bank can be a great way to improve your financial management. By understanding the benefits and drawbacks, you can make an informed decision about whether this setup is right for you. Call to action. Have you tried using Monzo with another bank? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.